Hey guys, it's Kaylee, and today I really don't feel too well. I have a stiff neck, but I still decided to do a video for you guys. For this video, I'm sorry, the bathroom is just the quietest place. Anyways, for this video, I'll be doing slime. I'll be making some slime, and this is really small slime. I made lots of slime now. So basically, what you need for this slime video is a spoon, something to make the slime in, glue, food coloring. I got green and detergent. Today I'm going to do it with like detergent. I'm not going to do it with like borax and all. So the first step is just empty a whole bottle of glue into and I don't know if this is going to turn out to be a fail or not. A whole bottle of glue into a bowl. This kind of took me 3 tries to do, so I'm gonna make sure that whole bottle was in there. And I've been doing a couple slime videos, so yeah, that's basically under like DIY because like it's DIY video. I'm doing it myself. Okay, so after that, just basically you just want to mix it. Just get in that shape, stack up and stuff. So you want to mix in the middle. Now we're going to add like little drops of detergent, little by little. Oh my god, you guys, I missed the most important part. You would also need some shaving cream. And you can use any shaving cream. I'm using a Kiss shaving cream, like this is my brother's shaving cream, like it's like a face shaving cream, and it actually works. Alright. Is it ready? Get in that relaxation. Like this niceness. Okay, let's get into the relaxation. Now you want to add a little bit of shaving cream. And just a little shaving cream, not that much. And then you just want to mix it up, and it's going to be fluffy, slimy. And this is actually working, guys. So, now I'm going to add a little bit, 8 drops of food coloring. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. That's it. Mixy. You can basically like see that it's like getting at the pulsation. Just add a little bit more detergent, and this is added to do green food coloring because the detergent is green, so it's basically going to turn the slime greenish. So it's getting there, so now I'm going to add the rest of the detergent. You really stick on and get to there. So basically that's all you need to do to make the slime, and I basically made the slime. Now you want to add a little bit of shaving cream, a little more shaving cream if you want it like really puffy and stuff. I'm barely like doing any movement because of the fact that I have a stiff neck. It really hurts me. I left school kind of early. So then the slime is getting to it. Like it's like get me out of here. It's like get me out of here. Can't get this in my hair. So I will see you when I'm done mixing up everything. So I'm basically done mixing. What I'm basically gonna do is put a little shaving cream on my hand, and then just mix it up, and then grab some slime on my hand. And just grab it, and just mix it up in my hand because you're not really turning out to me. You see, it's getting that stickier. It's kind of really sticky, guys, because you just made the slime. But you have to keep on mixing it a little, you guys, and it will be like in that little processing of the slime. So I'm going to be show you when I'm done like mixing and stuff. So just put that back in there. Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. You are ready, not ready. So I'm seeing when my hands are clean too. Hi guys. So guys, I finished making the slime and it's a little on my hands, but I'll be showing you the review of it. Like, it's a fluffy and puffy slime and it barely sticks on. And if it's a fact, if it like sticks on too much to you, then you have to add like a little bit more detergent. That's what was happening with me. I had to add a little bit more detergent and it basically just turned into this, and it's like really not like that sticky. And what you basically gotta do is plate it, and after you plate it, you have slime, you guys. Yeah, so this was basically, sorry for the noise in the background. This was basically my video, my DIY slime video. Be sure to check out my other videos. I kind of got a surprise for you guys. I'm going to upload, or I probably already uploaded, the blindfold makeup challenge with a special guest. So basically this is how it looks. Basically, you guys. So I got slime. Second slime. So guys, so make sure you subscribe to my video, to my channel, for a whole bunch more DIY slime videos. They're not the slime videos. If you just came to this channel, I do a YouTube video with my friend Kaylin. Sorry, my cousin Kaylin. And basically we just do a bunch of videos. So make sure you subscribe and like to this video. Remember you guys, 50 subscribers, we get an egg dunked on our head.